and thank you for watching one of my videos. I'm Steph, just in case you didn't know. And in today's video, we decided to do this really pretty sunset type of halo eye-ish thing going on. Don't really know what to call it, but it's so pretty. I got inspired by a picture I saw on Instagram, and I really got inspired and just wanted to recreate it. This look is with one palette. We created this look with one palette. It's the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. And yeah, I just really wanted to go full out, full glam. I'm honestly loving how it came out. It came out so perfect. So we decided to go full glam because, I mean, why not? So if you like the way that this look came out, keep on watching. Oh, wait, before we go any further, gotta tell you guys, don't forget to subscribe. And while you're subscribing, there is a gold mustard color yellow looking bell right next to that big red button. If you click on that, it notifies you every time that I upload. I upload 3 times a week. You see how I'm struggling? Jesus Christ, fat fingers. I upload 3 times a week. Fingers crossed we get so stick to that schedule. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Even if you didn't like it, still give it a big thumbs up. It helps YouTube recognize that y'all like these videos. And if y'all like these videos, then that means it's going to let other people know that y'all probably going to like these videos. So we can add more friends. So yeah. Oh, don't forget to also comment down below. Let me know what you think about the video, if you did like it. And if you want to see any other looks or any ideas or just things like that. Just meet me in the comment section. And I'm rambling. I don't know what else to say. So, bye guys. Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and tie all this hair back and do a little magic trick. Girl, them brows. What you doing? No ma'am. Okay, there we go. Boop. Perfection. So, first we're going to go ahead and work on our eyes. We're using the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. And we're going to first start off with that yellow. Okay girl, you better be cute. And we're going to start working that into our crease. But I'm going to show you guys my mistake. I was tripping hella hard. Even did 2 whole swipes of this color and was like, wait a minute. What are you doing? I forgot to do my base. Sorry guys. So I'm going to just wipe this off with a baby wipe. Get this yellow off as much as I can. And then I'm going to go in with my favorite concealer. The Born This Way concealer. I normally use that to prime my lids. And we're going to prime our lids. So now for real this time, we're going to go in with that yellow color from the Zulu palette. And we're going to start working that into our crease. We're just going to build it as a transition shade. This is honestly like my favorite yellow I've ever seen in my life. So now we're going to go in with this brown color. And it ends up turning the crease into like a burnt orange type of color, which is what I was going for. Just to have like a nice transition. So that way in the crease, it doesn't look as harsh when we're going to just start packing the colors on. So it kind of turns like a orange sorbet kind of color. I'm feeling it. So now we're going to start working on the actual sunset. We're going to go in with that orange color. And first what we're going to do is just start packing that onto the outer corners of our eye. And then we're going to work our way into the inside. What we're strictly doing, we're not blending just yet. All we're doing is patting. Pat, 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 pat. We're just going to pack that color on as much as possible just to get as much intensity as we want. And then we're going to go in with the yellow color and do the same thing and just pat, pat, pat. You see I haven't actually blended it into, it's just like boom, 3 lines. I stick like a little Whataburger bag, but it's okay. We're just going to just keep patting that on because we just want to build up the intensity. Now we're going to start blending. We're using the same brush that we used to pack on the color, just the opposite side. And we're just blending that in now. First we're going to do the outside and then the inside. And then we're going to actually work the inside up into the crease. So that way they both connect together. And then we're going to add color back to yellow, of course. And now I'm taking the Mykonos lashes by Lilly Lashes. And I'm going to pop those on. Now I'm going to just wipe away the fallout. And I'm going to go ahead and moisturize these bad boys because it's wintertime. I'm using the Shea Moisture Lip Balm. Now we're moving on to our face. I'm going to go ahead and just prime my face. I'm using the original Blur Smashbox primer. And we're just going to rub that all in. Now, sis, I don't know what I was thinking. This is a Giorgio Armani foundation. It has SPF in it. I'll look in the description bar down below for the color because I don't have it on me right now. But, sis, at first I did a swatch and I was like, okay, this is my color. You know, it matched my face because I'm slick pale in the face. But this is why you never This is why you never do foundation that matches your face but matches your body. Girl, look at me. So, I fixed it. Y'all. I fixed it. I went in with my Dior Forever Skin or Skin Forever foundation in the color 030. And I went ahead. That's my color. That matches my body. And I went ahead and just added that to my face as well. Just to bring something back to my face. Because, girl, I was looking casket sharp. Like, it was embarrassing. Now we're going to go ahead and do the normal. We're going to go ahead and highlight. I'm using 2 different highlights this time. I'm using the Huda Beauty highlight in Sugar Biscuit. And then I'm going to also, on top of that, add the Born This Way concealer. It's a little bit lighter than that. So I just like to add it for brightness. Because your girl was tired this day. If y'all hear dogs in the background, that's my bad. My dogs are outside right now. So we're just going to just keep blending that into. First, I use a sponge and then I go on my brush. Just because I don't want that big old brush in, well, the big old sponge like in my actual like tear ducts area. I want that to get as precise as possible around there. So I go in with the brush and then I also use the sponge. Now we're setting. I'm using the Banana Bread powder by Huda Beauty to go ahead and set my face. It's a beautiful yellow. Love everything about this color. And then I'm going to go ahead and contour. Well, bronzing. With the, boop, there we go. The Morphe bronzer in the debutante color. And I'm just going to go ahead and warm up my face and contour this nose. Do the temples and all that good stuff. Y'all my dogs. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. So now I'm going to go ahead and just clean up that contour just to get it nice and sharp. And we are good to go. Girl, look at that smile. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so now that we let that sit for a little bit, well, I let it sit for like 5 minutes, y'all. But we're going to go ahead and dust away that powder and all that good stuff. Y'all, these dogs, I'm so sorry. So what I did was I ended up like taking away some of the contour color when I was like brushing the powder down. So I added more color on top of that, and now I'm going in with this blush from Juvia's Place. I'll have the link down below because I don't know the name of it. I'm sorry. And I'm just pat, 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 pat. I even did my nose. Got a little Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer going. And now for the first layer of highlight, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Amrezy highlight. This is like my favorite highlight. I got it for my birthday last year. My birthday present to myself. And first we're going to do the first layer of highlight. And then I'm going to go in and add more powder because I'm going to go in with my, do my bottom lash line. I like to have powder just because this palette does have fallout. So I like to just have a powder there just in case since I already did my face. So we're going to repeat our eye on our bottom lash line. So outer corner, inner corner is going to be that orange color. And then the middle is going to be the yellow. And then we're going to go in with our favorite mascara. The one that I'm using right now is the Lancome mascara. And then I'll go in with the Better Than Sex mascara. The Lancome mascara is the Big Mansour mascara. And then this is the Better Than Sex by Too Faced. And then I'm going to go ahead and wipe away that powder and the fallout. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray my face. Spray, spray, spray. Dampen it. Well, I'm still drowning. And then I'm going to go in with the second layer of highlight. Now to finish the look off, we're going to go in with Cork by MAC Cosmetics and Layover by Colourpop. And after your lips, you're all done with this look. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I hope you guys truly enjoyed it. Don't forget, description bar, subscribe, like, comment, and that's it. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys. Mwah.